Well, hey everybody, happy Sunday over at the Q. Two big items in the kitchen with David, which I can't wait to share with all of you guys. The big announcement is that it's the most affordable. They've put our dinnerware on a Black Friday sale price, you guys, of under $40 for 12 pieces. That's $3.33 a piece. Like, this is your day to stock up on all of our dinnerware sets. And in honor of that, we tried to bring in almost every pattern, every color, seasonal. You'll see olive flutter. You'll see palm. Hey, Barbara. Hi, Virla. Hi, Mai Ching. We have literally something for everybody, and it is bananas. Cheryl's checking in from the middle of California. So I couldn't be more excited, but look at our colors here. So confetti, our old world, our blue, our gray, our green, our taupe, and our yellow. We even brought back in our woodland, which almost sells out every time. Hey, Mandy. Hi, Kristen. And then, of course, our gorgeous, gorgeous floral lace. By the way, our niece just picked up 3 sets of our gray floral lace when she saw the deal. Love her. And then, of course, we have our doodle do. And then last but not least, look at this. We have Pauffetti, we have Reindeer, we have Patriotic and Cardinal Poinsettia, we have our Whimsy. Sorry, we have, of course, our Olive Flutter. This is so amazing, you guys. We have our Gnome. Hello, Nomi. And then we have 2 of our Believe patterns down here. But here's the scoopy, you guys. It is under $40. Like, under $40, amazing. The item number is H267068. That will take you, and then you can pick from there what pattern and color you're looking for. So that'll be the easiest way to do it. But it is crazy. This is normally $69, and today for the Black Friday sale price, it's $39.98. Mind blown. Hey, Tara, great price on dinner. Like $3.33 for stoneware that you can still put in the oven, the microwave, the fridge, the freezer, the dishwasher. We always say it looks like a pretty plate, but you don't have to baby it. So love that. Then we have a great clearance price on our heated gravy boat. We cannot get any more of these back in. They put it down to a low, low price of $13.99. I don't think I've ever shared something on QVC that was $13.99. I'm very excited about it. So I'll be first up in about 12 minutes with the dinnerware, so you don't want to miss it. You definitely want to make sure you're grabbing your pattern and your color. It's the final order of the year. We're not bringing anything back in. We did this, sorry, my earpiece is stuck. We did this in honor of Black Friday weekend, and it is a blowout sale. I got 2 sets of the loaf bands. Yay! Love them, love them. Oh, hey, Joy Gathers. How you doing? Joy and her hubs spent the weekend with us this weekend, and we had such a blast. We were in town in Rehoboth Beach at the Sea Witch Festival. My mom was on the float. Of course she was. And then there was like a beer bash that supports all the local breweries. It was just a really fun small hometown kind of weekend, and we had a blast. So now we're both back. I'm in Pennsylvania ready to go on air. She's back home. You know how it rolls. It's like rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. All right, so you definitely want to make sure the price is so good. I want to buy the reindeer pattern, and I already have holiday and David's dinnerware sets. I got to tell you, Debbie, even David was like, this is unbelievable. He's like, why wouldn't you just have an extra set that you could layer into some of your pieces, or buy an extra set in case, God forbid, you break something down the road? So we're going to share all of that with you guys first up at 12 o'clock, and then I will be back around a little after 3. We'll call it like 10 after 3 with that heated gravy boat. Think about drawn butter. Think about hot fudge. Think about beef gravy, turkey gravy. And the fact that you can keep it warm means you're not getting up and down 10 times to reheat your gravy or your warm maple syrup in the morning. So many different... Oh, look at the man.
That? Oh, boo. That scare you?
Look how good you look.
I got my pumpkin shirt. I got my pumpkin shirt on. And a lot of you are going to say, where did David get that shirt? I bought it online at that famous place online that everybody knows.
Everybody knows.
It's the only way I could find this a couple years ago when I needed the car cover size.
You're
and
hilarious.
Now it's very big on me, so I've got it all cinched into my back.
He's got it like all tucked into his apron.
And I've got it tucked into the apron and into the pants. So.
You look great.
Well,
boo! Get out of my brain.
Okay. It's a dusty, cobwebby place.
It's a dusty, cobwebby place.
No,
You're right.
It's not. No, it's not.
Maybe a little bit.
Hello, everybody. I'm happy to
ready.
see you, and I'm glad you're here, and we're going to be going live in about 10 minutes.
Thank you. All right, so you're definitely going to want to check his 4 big hour show. So you're definitely going to want to tune in. Lots of good stuff. And I don't know if you've seen the Ray Rostelli Today's Special Value today. Woo! Steaks. I'm hoping someone might throw me a bone and I could have one of those steaks. So I think if I hang around enough and just stare at everybody, they'll just want me to go away and give me a steak. That's going to be my, what's the word? That's going to be my motive today. That's what I'm going to do. I'll let you know if it works. All right, who else is checking in? Gwen is here. Everybody's all ready for In the Kitchen with David. All right, you guys, well, we will see you in about 9 minutes with the dinnerware. And then, like I said, I'll be back a little bit after 3 with the heated gravy boat. What am I going to do in between? I might have to shoot up to King of Prussia and, I don't know, have some retail therapy. Although, I don't know, all the sales and deals are here at Q. I think I might just jump on the app and I'll do that instead. Hey, Kathy from West Virginia. Hey, Karen Fonner. Luana's here. Carrie's here. Everybody's here. All right, who wants some dinnerware? I scream, you scream. We all scream, we need new dinnerware. All right, we'll see you guys at noon. Bye.